The smartphone world is about to change forever, and at the heart of it is Samsung's brand new Galaxy S26 Ultra 5G. Rocket for more than a decade, the Ultra lineup has been the gold standard of Android innovation, and now in 2026, Samsung has taken things to a whole new level. From a jaw-dropping 7-inch AMOLED Infinity X display with record-breaking brightness, to a revolutionary 250MP hexacamera system, a massive graphene battery that charges in just 15 minutes, and even AI-powered features that can replace parts of your laptop, your camera, and your personal assistant. This phone isn't just a flagship, it's the future of mobile technology. In today's video, we're diving deep into the Galaxy S26 Ultra's design, specs, pricing, and release details, and trust me, you don't want to miss this one. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The smartphone world is entering a new era, and once again, Samsung is at the very center of this revolution. For more than a decade, Samsung's Galaxy S Ultra lineup has represented the very best of Android technology, combining bold design with unmatched hardware and pushing innovation to limits that other companies often take years to catch up to. In 2026, Samsung has prepared something that truly feels like the next chapter of mobile computing: the Galaxy S26 Ultra 5G. More than just a flagship phone, it is being positioned as a complete ecosystem powerhouse, a device that can replace not only your phone but parts of your laptop, your camera, and even your personal assistant. The introduction of the Galaxy S26 Ultra marks a turning point, proving that smartphones are no longer just tools for communication. They are becoming the central hub for productivity, creativity, entertainment, and even health. The very first thing that strikes you about the Galaxy S26 Ultra is its design. Samsung has refined its iconic Ultra aesthetic, keeping the squared, professional look but making it sleeker, lighter, and more durable than ever. The frame is built with next-generation titanium alloy, making the device stronger against drops while keeping the weight surprisingly manageable. The glass has been upgraded to Samsung's latest Gorilla Armor X, which not only resists scratches better but also drastically reduces reflections, allowing the display to remain perfectly visible in direct sunlight. Even the color palette feels futuristic, with shades that shift under the light, ranging from deep metallic blues to polished silver gradients that make the device feel more like jewelry than technology. Of course, Samsung's crown jewel has always been its display, and the Galaxy S26 Ultra sets a new industry record. The phone features a 7.0-inch dynamic AMOLED Infinity X panel that delivers an almost bezel-free viewing experience. With peak brightness levels reaching 5,500 nits, HDR performance is breathtaking, and even the harshest lighting conditions cannot overpower its clarity. The adaptive refresh rate now ranges from 1 Hz all the way up to 240 Hz, intelligently balancing battery efficiency with silky smooth performance. Resolution borders on 8K level sharpness, offering crisp visuals that make streaming, gaming, and editing feel professional grade. Samsung has also continued its work on eye health by enhancing its adaptive tone shifting system, reducing eye strain without compromising visual fidelity. Simply put, there is no other smartphone screen that comes close. But it's not just about what you see, it's about what you can capture. The Galaxy S26 Ultra debuts Samsung's new hexacamera system, headlined by a massive 250-megapixel primary sensor. This is not a gimmick but a